Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm Man from Home by M&M and today we are diving into the best IKEA products for summer 2022. IKEA is one of my favorite places to shop for budget furniture and home decor, and I'm so excited to sharing these amazing summer finds with you. Most of these products are from the new IKEA summer and spring collection, so without further ado, let's jump right into them. The first summer product is this gorgeous coffee table that looks like a surfboard. This beautiful coffee table is made from a durable bamboo tabletop and a metal wavy underframe. The unique design and style makes it the perfect addition to any living room. The metal underframe is sturdy and stylish, making this a very attractive piece of furniture for any home. I personally love using bamboo throughout my home since it's a natural and eco-friendly material that creates a warm and vibrant look. The smooth bamboo surface is easy to wipe, clean and care of. Plus, bamboo is a material that ages beautifully and will develop its own personal character over time. Loving this table so far. Next on my list is this beautiful carafe and its matching glasses. You can absolutely get these two separately, however, when paired together, they absolutely look amazing. First of all, let's stop for a second and talk about the shape of the carafe. It's so unique and so pretty. Each carafe is mount blown by a skilled craftsman, and it really looks like a turquoise sea with the small air bubbles inside. It has a gorgeous design that is very chic and elegant, and it's perfect for serving beverages at a party or just for everyday use. They will make any table look summery and elevated. Next one is this beautiful art print. This poster is perfect if you want to swap the vibe in your space and give it a brand new summery feel. It has a warm and inviting feel to it. Its bright colors and the bamboo frame makes it look so calming and warm, and it kind of reminds me of the summer sky. Also, it's printed on a cold pressed paper that gives the surface a nice structure. And what makes it even more special is that this art print is available as a limited edition where each artwork has a unique number. Again, IKEA just stepping it up. Another new summer IKEA product I love is this handmade bamboo plant pot. This one comes in two dimensions, the larger one for $25 and the smaller one for $5. This handmade bamboo plant pot is the perfect home for any plant you have. Even though it feels lightweight at first, it's made of hard-wearing and durable bamboo. Also, the underlying surface is protected from water and dirt since the pot has a plastic insert that can be easily removed if needed. And other than looking beautiful, the great thing about this plant pot is that it's made of leftover materials from the production of other bamboo products, which is a real selling point for me. I feel like bamboo in general is the summer theme at IKEA and I love it. And my next summer product fits the theme. This bamboo tray is a must-have for any party or just outdoor summertime dining in general. It's not only decorative but also super practical since it has a foldable net that protects the food from insects and other flying bugs. Another great thing is that the flexible and foldable insect protector can be used separately with other trays and plates that fit inside. Such a smart product, practical, durable, and good looking. Next on my list is this Bluetooth speaker / outdoor lamp. This speaker comes at two different colors, this gorgeous navy blue one and a light gray. I've honestly never seen a Bluetooth speaker this cool, and other than looking unique, the sound is amazing since it has 360-degree sound, which means that the music plays clearly and distantly no matter where you're sitting. Plus, the lamp gives a pleasant glow and adds a decorative touch to the table and is practical if you need a little extra light outdoors. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery and is rainproof, so you can use it in any weather. I'm instantly planning to take this to our upcoming camping trips. And when we are talking about lighting, I just cannot go on without mentioning this new bamboo lampshade. IKEA has a history of making the coolest lampshades, and this one is no different. Again, it's made from hand-woven bamboo and each lampshade is unique When you turn the bulb on, a warm, pleasant light spreads through, which creates decorative shadows and a nice vibe. Another amazing thing is that you can use it for both pendant and floor lamps. So if you add a cord set, it will be a ceiling lamp, or you can also attach it to a floor lamp base of your choice. Now, since we are already halfway with the summer products, I just quickly wanted to remind you to just take a second and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you enjoyed the video so far, make sure to hit that like button, since by doing so, you help my small channel so much. My channel is so small, and by subscribing, liking and commenting, you personally help it grow a ton. Thank you so much. Another handmade and unique summer piece is this crochet cover. Other than looking super chic, this cover is made for outdoor use and it's so durable. The inner cushion is protected against moisture since the cover has a water repellent lining. Also, the color stays fresh for longer as the fabric is fade resistant. I'm obsessed with this crochet cover. It's so stylish. I can't wait to put it on my balcony. It would be a perfect addition to any outdoor furniture. I feel like throw pillows in general are a great way to swap the vibe in your home when it's time for a new season. That being said, I'm throwing in another summer design, which is this pure cotton cushion with corals and pale pink seaweed pattern. If you are into bringing that summery vibe inside your home, this pillow will do it for you. This beautiful pattern is perfect for creating a coastal theme or just adding a fresh new accent to your home. It's soft, resilient and sustainable since the filling inside is made from recycled polyester. Now, IKEA is known for making timeless and practical pieces, and that's what this next product is all about. It's this minimal and sleek side table. This side table takes up little space and can fit even the smallest balconies. It's perfect for outdoor use since it's basically made of steel. It also has a handle that makes the table easy to move around and carry it wherever you need it. Another new summer product is this beautiful bamboo cool basket. This braided bamboo basket looks so pretty, and it's a practical piece too. Whether you go to picnics, campings, or you're just having dinner in your backyard, this basket will keep your food fresh and cool. Inside of it, there is a cotton bag with a zipper. Bamboo and cotton are two durable and easy care materials that together keep the content fresh. And again, we are seeing IKEA making products from sustainable materials, and that honestly brings so much joy in my heart. The next summer product on my list is this beautiful outdoor flat woven rug. I mentioned this rug in my last video and I just had to do it again since this is such a great rug. First of all, the stripes look so stylish, and the neutral colors will give a warm and modern touch to the space. It's water resistant and made for easy care, which makes it perfect for outdoor use or areas with a lot of movement like the kitchen or the hallway. And the best thing is that you can use both sides of the rug, so simply by turning it over you can easily change the look of the room as it has different pattern on each side. I honestly think this is my favorite IKEA rug. Let me know in the comments below if you like it as much as I do. Another stripy summer product from the new IKEA collection is this patterned tablecloth. This product just screams summer to me. The bright red and light beige color reminds me of British seaside towns, which is actually the main inspo for this tablecloth. It's perfect for picnics, a day at the beach, or just dining in the garden or on the balcony. I'm totally seeing this tablecloth on a round dining table, bringing those summer vibes inside the home. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think of summer products, I just instantly think of beverage dispensers. And this IKEA one is so beautiful. It reminds me of tinted glass. And the best thing is that IKEA also sells a stand for this beverage dispenser, making everything look so good and thought out. These two are timeless and practical pieces to have in your home, whether you're hosting a party or just using it to keep hydrated throughout the hot summer days. These two paired together make it so easy to refill your glasses with whatever you are having. A real must-have summer product if you ask me. Now, if you're planning to go to the beach this summer, You just have to check out this new IKEA beach chair. This chair is made from acacia, which is a hardwood that's naturally durable and sturdy. It has a rich brown color and distinctive grain pattern. And when paired with this signature IKEA summer vibe material, it just looks so gorgeous, and it looks better than most beach chairs I've ever seen. Other than looking super cute, this chair is also highly durable, resistant to scratches and water, and it's ideal for heavy use. However, one thing to keep in mind is that acacia darkens slightly with age. And the last summer IKEA product I have for you today is this gorgeous love seat. This is not a new product, however, I decided to share it with you since it's a great option for outdoor sofa. Small, neat dimensions, easy to furnish with, and so budget friendly. In other words, a great outdoor sofa when space is really limited. Even though this sofa looks all light and bright, it's actually super durable since the fabric is fade resistant, which makes the color stay fresh for longer. The seat is also made from durable elastic mesh, and a seat and back pad are included. It's minimal, it's sleek, and it fits even the smallest outdoor spaces. And that wraps it up for today's video. I really hope you liked my IKEA summer products. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, make sure to let me know which product was your favorite one by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. And see you next week. Till next time, designers!